She's rich.
No.
What?
She's
Yeah,
rich.
not rich.
No, I'm not rich.
She has 2 phones.
Yeah, no.
No, yes, I am.
Yes,
One
she
Android
have
and
two
one
phones.
iPhone.
One iPhone she recently bought.
Oh.
She want iPhone from many years, and she buy horses. She buy iPhone, buy horses.
There are Chinese people doing business. Yes, I know a Chinese guy. He sells second-hand.
हजुर पाटन ढोका चाहिँ त्यही हो
फेरि कानवाला फोन गर्दैन यार
Yes, about पाटन ढोका main gate. So I say
पानी भन्ने भने
ए अहिले अब नगर चाहिँ 9:07 भइसक्यो भोलि मर्निङ आएर म त उठेको जान्थ्यो पुरा यहीँ पुस्नेवालाले आउँछ सुरु त गइसक्यो होला घर अनि भिड छिटो ल्याउँदैन
यहाँ काम गर्दा गालामा पठाइदिन्छ
उही नगरे नगर्ला
भयो
त्यो तैँले के किने हेरौँ न देखा न मैले किने होइन देखा न यहाँ ल्याएर Today she bought many clothes from
Oh, really?
online.
Really? Online? Today is payday. Yesterday was payday. Today is payday.
Oi, त लाएर
Yesterday. Payday.
लाएर फोटो खिचेर पठाइदिएँ ओइ तेरो काम देखेको मैले It is so boring.
That's why she needs us here. That's why we're here.
मन पर्दैन भन् न सोध न मन पर्दैन यो बिजनेस गर्न भन्छु
You don't like to open business?
In
Me?
Nepal? You don't
My
want
relative
to-
already has business.
What?
My relative, see? This
Oh.
thing.
In
Cosmetic.
Where? In
Cosmetic.
Where? In where?
Cosmetic.
In where?
Huh?
Where?
How was it? I'll show you.
I
later.
also want to go there.
No. Kathmandu.
I also want to go there to buy some cosmetic
She wants to go there. She said she wants to go there.
It's private warehouse. We don't have shop. No shop, just warehouse. Wholesale. Wholesale, no shop. Shop, no money. He sell to the shops. Yeah. It's like
यिनीहरूको यो भित्र
you make that ingredients.
Oh.
You sell to the bubble tea shops. You make more money. You open bubble tea shop, no money. Not much money. But you make that ingredient, make money.
अनि
Yeah.
खोल्यो भने हुँदैन रहेछ बनायो भने चाहिँ हुन्छ अरे मनी
That's right.
And our product's unique. Made for Australia. Made for
Oh.
Australia. So it's not made. You can't find anything
आई
here.
ओपन इट
You can't find anything here.
उयो हेर्न तैँले अस्ति ल्याएको जस्तै हामीले ल्याएको जस्तै छ ओ द्याट्स ब्युटिफुल द्याट्स नाइस
Nice.
नाइस आई लाइक इट भन्दैन त अनि
I like it.
Thank you.
थ्याङ्क यू अनि कहिले खोल्ने बिजनेस हो त यु डोन्ट वान्ट टु के भने यु डोन्ट वान्ट टु के भने किन
के भन्ने के
पसल खोल्नलाई क्या मन लागेन भन के भन्ने
Open.
यु डोन्ट वान्ट टु ओपन एनी टाइप्स अफ बिजनेस
I don't know. I don't know what kind of business is good here. Gym, maybe gym. Gym is good.